Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn form actions. In our previous lecture, you have learned about the creation of the form in HTML, like making the labels, input tags, and using the input tags and the type of input tags and the select options you have learned there. Now we require to perform an action to making the form filled data to move some around to database. How it is possible? Yes, it's a very simple to creating an actions with the HTML form. We can send the data. These actions will created and will be function by with the help of methods. So called it is methods. The methods are, one is post method and another one is get method. These post method and get method, see I'm writing here, see here, post and get. These two methods, by using these two methods, we can communicate with the server where the server is there, and with the help of some dynamic language like an instance of an PHP language to communicate our web server, and we can transmit the data from HTML form to server. Okay, we'll see with a simple example how to frame and how to make it as an action to this form. Let's see here. Within the form, like a action, we have to write for the action where to be go. This form where to be go to, like a carry these parameters values, and method we can call it as post. All right, yes, we have a given an action, and also we have to prepare for one button that is called submit button or login button or cancel button. We have to prepare like a perform some mouse click action. Like see now, like a input type submit, we can write, and the name also submit. All right, save it and reload the form. See the button, it is displaying. I'll take here one break line. Yes, save, reload the form. See submit button, it is displaying here. And which is required to, if I submit it, like I am submitting the button by clicking the button, I am making it as a submit, whereas it should go somewhere else where I can prefer here. I can write like some page like I'm sending the data into my registration form of PHP registration dot PHP. I have prepared a dot, assume that reg, by making shortcut we can make it reg.php. I have something, you assume that I have in a form of reg.php. All right, and that page I'm sending all these data of a name, email, and mobile number, and the gender and item which you have selected here, and HTML like a checkbox option like HTML or JavaScript which I have selected. By using the method of post method, I'm sending. Now see, I'm creating an action of static HTML form. Now reload the page, save it and reload the page. And then you see here, when I press the button, it is going to be redirecting for login.php. Like, sorry, yeah, registration, reg.php, this page. Action means there I am focusing to go. Okay, see here, when I submit, see it is redirected to reg.php, means I am given actually the file like reg.php form is not available here. Otherwise, we would be redirecting to there, and I'll show you like how to insert the data. We have in a PHP session very clearly, which is come where the slot of sessions are a PHP session. There you will have a great idea how to going to be submitting all these data into the database. Very easy, pretty. Okay, now I am making like a plain static HTML form. I'm making an action to that form. If I sub like it's entering some data here, like my email id.com and my mobile number or a selection of this and selection of this. I'm submitting the data, form data. These parameters only will goes to insert like a read it by when I hit the submit this form. The dynamic form, completely the dynamic forms we are going to generating in our upcoming sessions. Hopefully you will enjoy more and more. I hope you are having and aware of this like a action and method by using the post. Similarly, you can use the get and find out what is post and what is get in Googling. More detailed we'll see in our upcoming lectures where PHP sessions I'll very detailedly I'll explain you. That is the way we are going to making like a methods to post method and get method to submitting the form data from HTML plain form to dynamic way. Okay. See, don't forget to create a button and you can make it as a name. It is not only submit or login, cancel or registration, any name which you would like to prefer, you place there. All right. I hope you are having a good idea how to make and how to prepare for action. For fully functional, we'll see at PHP sessions. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.